Stock invested for beginners. May 1st to May 3rd, 3 trading days, I made over 800, so it's not bad, over 200 something in a day. And today I'm going to talk about stocks that reported earnings last week and also stocks that gonna report earnings this coming week. And I'm going to give you one options that I've been trading. You can use it if you want. After doing your own research, you can use it. And I'm going to show you how I get money to trade options and stocks. So basically, right now, Apple options I made over 400. So basically, if you have any questions, comment down below. So Nvidia, CIM, yes, these are all covered call. So this is like advanced option. So I sold put option right here on March 18. And Apple expiry date July 19, 180 put options. So when I sold put options, I got premium right away, 928.48. I can use that premium to buy another call options or a stocks. That's how you manage your money. If you don't have money, it's all right. If you know stock investing, option trading, advanced option trading, you can get money from advanced option. So once you get money from advanced option, then you can use that money to trade options and stocks. Of course, you really have to know how to use it and make sure you already have some money in case you get assigned. So 180 means that a put option buyer can sell you 100 shares of Apple anytime that he wants on or before July 19. So as long as the stock price is above 180, you are safe. You are saying I'm safe. So that's why I knew that Apple stock is gonna go up. So I sold that put options. I made profits. After Apple stock jumped, what did I get? I just bought back the put option. So the difference between the high premium that I sold and when I bought it back is the profit. In the meantime, I used that money to buy other options and also other stocks. You see, once you do it, once you know how to do it, it's like you are getting profit not only from stocks, also option, also from advanced option. 3 ways. There are 3 ways that you can get money. If you know put option, even if other people are losing money when the stock market crash, you can still make money. So there are 4 ways to make money in the stock market. So as soon as after I traded this advanced option, I sent an alert to my Patreon members. So this is a message to Patreon member. I sold Apple this expiry date, this strike price on March 18. And yeah, I sold it. So remember, you need to know how to use advanced option. If you don't know, don't use it. Okay. S&P 500 is up 1.26% on May 3rd, Friday. And the last 5 days is up. You see, it's going back up. It wanted to go down. Like I said last week before Jerome Powell said something that Tuesday, Monday, the stock market could go down. Yeah, it went down. And after Jerome Powell speak, the stock market went back up again. And Nasdaq up 1.99%, over 1%. S&P also 1%. Nasdaq also 1% in one day on Friday. So something must have happened on Friday. And the last 5 days is up 0.93. So previous week it was also up. So the stock market's already bounced back, already reversed. The first 2 weeks of April it went down. Now it's just coming back up again. And Dow Jones up 1.18% on May 3rd. And the last 5 days that is up. See, year to date, yeah, it's pretty good. 2.55. Let's look at Nasdaq 9.42. That's pretty good. If you invest in real estate, you can make that amount of money. If you make this amount of money in 1 year, that's already considered very good in real estate. Year to date, up 8.12%. So what happened last week? Last week, there was some index, consumer confidence drop, and also home price index, home price also went up too. You see, and ADP employment, more people got employed than expected, and consumer spending was down, jobs opening. Those were not that important. The most important was the FOMC meeting. The Jerome Powell, everybody was so afraid that Jerome Powell may raise the interest rate again. So once he started talking about, hey, it's not likely that they're gonna raise the interest rate. They may just keep the interest rate for another quarter, meaning it's another 3 months, and the cut gonna happen this year, according to impressions that we get. So everybody was happy, investors were happy, stock market went back up again. Jobless claims down, and employment report was down. So that was the main reason, one of the main reasons. And there's also another reason. I'm going to talk about it in a short time. And 175,000, forecasted was 240,000. So people did not get a lot of jobs. So that means that there's a higher chance of Fed cutting the interest rate. So that's why the stock market went up on Friday. Of course, Jerome Powell was dovish as well. And also plus, some companies reported earnings last week. So let's look at it. I talked about Paycom, I did not like it. It was down, so no surprise here. It did not beat S&P 500. If you look at S&P 500, it's supposed to be up 77.96. So a stock has to be up at least 78% to beat S&P 500. So it's not. So I don't like it. Lilly, yes, it went up after the earnings report. That it came back down a little bit. After that, I think it's overvalued in my opinion. It's a good company, based on what we could look at, but I don't like the business. I think it's overvalued right now, so I'm not gonna touch it. And the next one, ABD, Air Products and Chemicals, it went down after reporting that it's just recovered a bit. Dividend yield was 2.8%. Last week, when we look at it, it was 3%. Now it's 2.8%. What happened? It's because the stock price went up. Dividend yield equation is how much dividend you get in 1 year that you divide it by the price of the stock. That's how you get dividend yield. So the higher the price of the stock, the lower the dividend yield is gonna be. So that means that if you see a stock with 10% dividend yields, so that means that the stock is most likely bad stock. It has been going down. Never buy those stocks, because even if you see dividend yield 10%, the companies has to cut the dividend sooner or later, because they are not making money. So how can they give you dividends? No, they can't. So do not chase after high dividend yields. I never do. I always use options, advanced option, to get weekly income, monthly incomes. I travel around the world. I don't even look at dividend yields. It doesn't even beat S&P 500. No, so I'm not gonna buy it. So only 18% over the past 5 years. No. And the next one is Amazon. Yes, Amazon reported good earnings, so that's why it's up. I already released the video about Amazon. You can watch it after finishing my live. You can go back and watch my videos. Amazon, why it went up, and how many shares do I own, and do I think it's at a value, fair value. I talk about it in an Amazon video. Amazon 5 days 1.91%. 5 years it beat S&P 500 97.05%. Yes, I like Amazon. I own Amazon too. And next one, SMCI dropped. It dropped more than 10% at the beginning. Then after that, it reversed a little bit. Yeah, 1 month is still dropped 15.7%. Yet it's up. It's up more than double. Yeah. So next one is Apple. Stock market recovered because of Apple too. Because Apple jumped after they reported earnings. They are going to buy back share quite a lot. $110 billion. I'm going to release Apple videos pretty soon. And what I think, how much I own, do I think it's an value over value, and how I'm going to trade Apple. Make sure you subscribe the channel and keep watching that video. Apple's up 5.9%, probably the best day since 2022. 5.76% up, and 1 month, let's look at 1 month. It's up 8.85%. Year to date, 1.23%. Yeah, I signed up a lot. I bought Apple right here when it was fair value. I bought it, so you're gonna know the fair value in the Apple stock video that's going to be published pretty soon. And let's look at next week. Apple beat S&P 500. Let's see. Yeah, it beat S&P 500, but it's stabilized, stable company. It's not going to grow so much, so it's not going to be a growth stock in the next few years, in my opinion. Especially this year, it's not going to grow this year. This coming week, Richmond Fed is going to speak, New York Fed is going to speak. You see, there are a lot of Feds presidents going to speak. So, yeah, they could move the market a little bit, but I think Jerome Powell is the most important. There's nothing at all, no surprise. Jobless claims, it did not impact the stock market that much. No, I think most likely is the president, what they speak about it, you know. And just now, the Jerome Powell already spoke. So that means that stock markets has a high chance to go up later. Because Apple's gonna be reporting, releasing new products as well. There's gonna be some excitement around Apple, and not only that, the stock market has already bounced back. So I don't think it's gonna matter quite a lot. Now is the time to buy stocks, in my opinion, or call options or advanced option. Yeah, put option maybe not because it's already reversed back. So any stock that you like, you see. I told you before last week, at the beginning of April, it was a good time to dip buy now. Okay, one stock that's going to report earnings is going to be AMC. AMC is going to report earnings. Year to date, 45.9%. I don't see any future AMC. 5 years, you see, down 93.987%. You will lose money. Yeah, this is a spike up. This is like one night stand stock. Yeah, you like the girl. She seems harmless. She's not dangerous. Yeah, she's beautiful. She's hot. Yeah, you have one night stand with her, but after the next day, you realize that her personality is not that good. She's not improving your life. You don't see her being a good girlfriend or wife material, so you can just set it, just leave her, just like that. AMC is just like that. Of course, if you are a rich man, if you want to marry that girl, like if a big company likes AMC, if they can buy it, it doesn't mean that they're gonna make money. Big companies gonna lose money. Remember, just like that, if you marry a bad girl, your life gonna go down. Her life's gonna go up because you are already rich, a good guy, right? The same way with AMC. So no good companies that has a brains, they're not gonna buy. Maybe a stupid CEO may probably buy AMC. No, I don't think so. Most likely AMC is gonna go bankrupt, being bought by another company. No. If you want to learn how to trade options, stocks, or advanced options, you can go to my playlist, Master Rich Stock Option Cradle. Go to playlist and how to videos. Just click on how to videos. I show some of the steps, step by step. My gift to you, SMCI call option. I give it to my Patreon members. I want to give it to you. And when I traded this call option, it was only 144.55. That was on April 24th. As soon as after I traded, I sent out an alert to my Patreon members. If you made profits, congratulations. And after that, within 2 days, it jumped to 205.10. So 41.9% gain in just 2 days. April 26th, just 2 days. And if you are a little bit greedy, you might want to hold that. In 4 days, it gained 48.77%. So that means that if you invested 10,000, you will have made 5,000 within 4 days. Within 4 days, see, 215.05. Yeah, 144.55. So how much money do you need? At the beginning, if you are going to buy, if you want to buy 100 shares of SMCI, let's say SMCI is at 760, you need to pay 76,000. But if you just buy one call option, it only costs you 14,000. But you're gonna ask, hey, I don't have that much money. What can I do? You can trade advanced option just like this. You can sell put option, get premium, use the money to buy call option like this, and yeah, you just take profits again. Then after that, you try to repeat the same process, sell put options. Then after that, you can buy another call option. So right now SMC already dropped, so the premium already dropped. So but I think it's recovering, it's bouncing back. It's bouncing back. You see, look at that. It's going to bounce back. You see, it's bounced back. It's bounced back. So if you think that it's going to go back up again, you can use this call option. It's going to expire in August, so I still have some time, 3 months. So if you count May, it's 4 months. So I'm gonna give it to you as a gift. Strike price 760, SMCI call option August 16. If you want to know what I trade real time, you can join Option Trading Patron or Advanced Option Trading Patron. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.